So in order for us to calculate the molar mass of benzene, I can actually draw out what benzene looks like, and then that might be able to help you out in terms of how to figure out what the chemical formula is. A benzene is basically a hexagon of carbons, right? So I have kind of this thing here. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 carbons here, and then I also have these guys are all bonded to 2 hydrogens each. So here is our, and then this here is aromatic. So this here, I'm going to put like a circle here. You don't have to know what aromaticity is in grade 11 chem, but it's totally fine. All I care about is the chemical formula. So in this case, I have this here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 6 carbons, so C6, and then obviously I have hydrogens, right? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12, right? C6H12. This is our chemical formula for mass of benzene, and then all we have to do to figure out mass of benzene is we have to just simply look at our periodic table, right? So we can say that the mass of benzene, or the molar mass of benzene equals the molar mass of our carbon 6, so 6 carbons, plus the molar mass of H12. Or I can simply just say, let me just do the math for you actually. So again, 6 carbons, we have it's 6 here times the molar mass of carbon here is 12 grams per mole, plus whatever, we have 12 hydrogens here. 12 hydrogens times molar mass of hydrogen is 1 gram per mole. Therefore, this here, 6 times 12 is 72. 1 times 12 is 12. 72 plus 12 here is 84. So this here is my molar mass of benzene. 84 grams per mole is my molar mass of my benzene. So let's check here. Molar mass, again, this is exactly kind of the same problem as what we did with our hydroxide, sodium hydroxide question in the beginning. So chemical formula is H6C6. This here is incorrect. Molar mass of chemical formula of benzene is not C6H, it's C6H12. So therefore, their molar mass is going to be wrong. Yes. And I can double check that, right? I can simply just Google what the chemical formula of benzene is if you don't believe me. Benzene, or it actually has benzene molar mass already. Or actually no, hold up. Benzene molar mass is C6H6. Oh, that's my bad. So it doesn't have. It's only bonded to 1 carbon? Oh, that's my fault. I guess my hydrogens are wrong. Sorry. It's bonded to, I thought it's bonded to 2. Give me a second. Let me just check this. Yes. Okay, I know why. So I drew this out because I thought that this was an alkene, but this is a cyclic hydrocarbon. So this is where I messed up here. Again, because it's cyclic here, I have like kind of a double bond that's going like this, and you can think of this double bond as going like around the cyclic hydrocarbon. So in this case here, it's only bonded to 1 hydrogen. So this here is wrong actually. My math here is wrong, because hydrogen here is 6. So it's my fault. C6H6 here is the molar mass of benzene, which means this here becomes 6. I'll do my corrections in blue. 6 times 1 here is 6, not 12. And then this 72 plus 6 here is 78 grams per mole. So they actually got the solution correct. I got it wrong because I thought that it was C6H12 and not C6H6. So this is totally my fault here, which means this solution here is correct. My bad. And analysis.